To test your Airtm knowledge? Let's see how well you know this awesome platform for freelancers and global earners. What can you do with Airtm? A. Withdraw earnings. B. Send money globally. C. Exchange currencies. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Airtm allows you to withdraw freelance earnings, send money worldwide, and exchange currencies, making it a versatile tool for global citizens. Where can you use Airtm? A. Worldwide. B. Only in Asia. C. Only in Europe. D. Only in the US. The correct answer is A. Worldwide. Airtm is designed for global use, connecting you to financial solutions no matter where you are. Airtm connects to A. All of the above. B. A local e-wallet. C. A crypto wallet. D. A bank account. The correct answer is A. All of the above. Airtm connects to bank accounts, local e-wallets, and crypto wallets, providing flexible options for managing your money. Thanks for playing the Airtm Trivia Quiz. How did you do? Share your score in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes.